I'm Daniel, and I'm going to show you a quick demo of GoValuate. GoValuate is an online platform for CS professors and CS students where professors can run polls, code-along lectures, activities, assignments, exams, and even empirical research studies. As a student, I can go into my demos course, I can take this first evaluation, and I can click begin. So notice it'll say no question is currently active for you. Back on my instructor page, in my code-along lecture, we'll see I have selected this first question, which is asking the students to answer a question based on this file here, and I've enabled code syntax completion, and I've selected one autograde test. I can activate this question, and the student will instantly see this question. They can fill it out. We'll see we have to copy-paste this answer here. We can quickly run the tests, and in a second we'll see how we're doing as a student. We passed this question, so we can say we're ready to continue. On the instructor page, we'll see one person is ready to continue. For anyone who's struggling, I can show the explanation here, and on the student page, if I'm struggling, I can copy this in, answer the question, run my tests, and continue. Back on the instructor page, I can go to the next question in my code-along lecture, and it'll automatically be updated for the student. And maybe I don't want to do a code-along lecture, I want to do an activity. We can go to the settings, turn off poll mode, and we'll see on the student page there are 6 questions in this assignment. We have question 1, which you did, question 2, which we already saw, and we have this other question about another file. And here we also have this single question autograder, which I can quickly run tests on, which is standalone. And I can answer this short response and get AI feedback as I'm working. And if I want to do something on paper that I can't really do on a computer, I can quickly scan a PDF of that and upload it for the professor to grade. I also can quickly see an API reference, a little cheat sheet to help me answer these questions. Now say you don't want to do a poll or an assignment, you want to do an exam. So we can turn off additional autograde attempts. We can turn off syntax highlighting, code completion, save this. Reload here, and we'll see the first question looks how an exam would look. No syntax highlighting, no code completion, except it's on our platform. So back on the instructor page, not only can I run exams, run polls, run assignments, I also can see the logs of how my students complete the assignment, enabling pedagogical research. I can do a lot more. I can see statistics on a question basis to see how my students are doing as they complete it during the lecture, at home, whenever they're working on it. I can also configure my own environment, run over 70 languages on here. So thank you so much for listening.